Okay, so today we're going to go over all of the sound effects that I currently have as of 11/27/2018 for my Twitch channel SlotMagPro. Now, I'll be adding some more in the future, but as this video is being recorded, currently I have 92, so a fair amount overall. So up here is right here in the left-hand corner that you see. This is my Google Docs document that lists every sound effects for public viewing. That link is on my channel and also down below. This down here is the actual folder that I have everything in. I've got actually more than the 92, but I've only pulled what I wanted from the ones that I've put together. And then over here, this is the GIF bot that I have running at the same time with my chat bot in the corner. Some of the sound effects have GIFs that trigger whenever the command is sent through. So, you know, from time to time, you'll be able to see some images like pop up right here that would, you know, reflect what you would see during the stream. So this is just for reference overall because some people don't know what each of the commands do, and it just kind of takes a while to go through each one of the 92. So this is a quick reference overall. So I'm going to be typing the commands down here to activate them, and we're just going to go down the list.
I thought this was America! Huh? Isn't this America? I'm sorry, I thought this was America!
It's a baby fucking wheel, man! Holy shit, we are witnessing a baby fucking wheel right here, dude! Holy shit!
I came looking for booty.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Hey, who wants to try some of my butthole bread?
Bullshit! Bullshit!
We just wanted a burger!
What are you looking at, butthead? But wait, there's more.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
When you're hungry for a corn dog, a midget with a butcher knife doesn't dance, does he?
If you live in another country, so sorry.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Damn! That shit good!
I'm in danger!
Picasso is dead. Steve Jobs is dead. Walt Disney is dead. I'm dead.
Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
Destroy the child. Corrupt them all.
We have dicks for everyone. Dicks for your dad. Bring me my pipe. Dicks for your mom. Mommy loves you. Dicks for your grandma.
No one visits me.
So get off your computer and eat dicks.
I'd buy that for $1. to do.
Sonny, we can do this the easy way or the hard way.
The easy way.
You cannot eat at the Chinese buffet if there's no duck sauce.
Oh my God! What's wrong with your face?
And you fail.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Another fact joined the chat. And another fact joined, and another fact gone. Another fact joined the chat.
What about you guys? We ain't found shit. Oh, now you fucked up. Now you fucked up. Now you fucked up. You have fucked up now.
Game over, man. It's game over. What the fuck are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do?
It wants to walk up with the people and say, hey, Gator don't play no shit.
I love gold.
Brother Maynard, bring up the holy hand grenade.
Don't worry, kids. It's time for Hans.
So yeah, I like FPSs. What can I say? There's nothing like the rush of hunting people down and killing them. I mean, my heart's beating, my hands are shaking, but I'm still shooting, and I'm still getting the headshots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot, boom, headshot.
Hello there.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
If you want to get real, then don't put a horseshoe inside a pillow.
Hey, who's got my hat?
Look, I'm Woody. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Give me that.
I always say I have no idea.
Because
It's
you
up
don't.
to Dr. Phil, because I don't know.
I don't know.
Dismissed! Bring in the dancing lobsters!
Loser, 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 loser.
Buddy, I got news for you. You don't want to hide a Mars bar in your sleeping bag when there's a bear outside the tent.
Money, money, money.
I can smell you. I'm creeping around right now. You just can't see me, as I've evolved invisibility.
How about new?
You crazy Dutch bastard!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
These nuts. Ha! Got him! Ha! Got him!
I don't want to be a pie. I don't like gravy.
You didn't say the magic word.
So we've established my proposal is sound in principle, now we're just haggling over price.
Price.
Priceless. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's
hella cash.
Run away! Run away! Run away!
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
I didn't expect a kind of Spanish Inquisition. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.
Oh my God! Stop!
Stop! You violated the law.
Are you sure about that?
And it will be like a taco inside a taco within a Taco Bell that's inside a KFC within a mall that's inside your dream!
Level out, Timmer! Level out, Timmer! Level out, Timmer!
Vegetables!
Victory! We have victory!
And so, we shall go to war.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Oh, a wise guy, huh? Certainly.
Whoop 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 whoop.
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, and that's the complete list. It is quite long, and some of those sound effects, they are a little bit of a hit or miss overall. But yeah, if anybody wants those sound effects for themselves, you know, just message me on Discord. But all in all, this is just as a reference to show you at this time where each one goes and what they do. So, and there you go. Thank you.